Book of Heaven, Volume 2, April 5th, 1899. How Jesus Keeps Her Overshadowed in His Love. My soul continued in its annihilation, and with the fear of losing sweet Jesus, when in one instant, all of a sudden, he made himself seen and told me,
I keep you in the shadow of my charity. So since the shadow penetrates everywhere, my love keeps you overshadowed everywhere and in everything. What do you fear then? How can I leave you while I keep you so sunken in my love?
Now, while Jesus was saying this, I wanted to ask him why he was not making himself seen according to his usual way. But Jesus disappeared from me immediately and did not give me the time to tell him even one word. Oh God, what pain! Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus's lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring His kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.